Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get college players into your Madden 25 franchise mode. First, from the main menu, navigate to the Share and Manage Files option. Within this section, select Download/Upload Community Files. Look for and download a user-created draft class or choose to create your own from scratch. This initial step is crucial for preparing your game. After selecting Create Draft Class, you will be prompted to give your new file a unique name. Choose something descriptive, like Future Stars Draft 1. Then, begin adding individual players to your class. You can add up to 70 players, each with unique attributes. Take your time to fill out positions and ensure a balanced class for your franchise's needs. This meticulous building ensures quality. Once you have added players, dive into their individual details. Here, you can customize their physical appearance, jersey number, and even their college background. Most importantly, adjust their attributes such as speed, throw power, and catching ability. Pay close attention to their development trait, like star or superstar, and their potential rating, which dictates their long-term growth. Realistic ratings create a more engaging experience. Now, let's get your custom draft class into your franchise. Begin a new franchise save, selecting either offline or online mode. When prompted to import draft class, make sure you choose the custom file you just created and edited. Confirm your selection to ensure your college prospects are ready for their rookie season. Your custom class will then appear in your first, second, or third-year draft, depending on your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.